Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is high paying and does not require any kind of a college degree. As long as you don't mind doing administrative work, it is non-phone. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But this job lead is from the company AB Partners, and they are hiring an executive assistant. Now, this is remote within the United States only. And just as any executive assistant does, you do all the administrative work and anything the executive team needs. So you'll be establishing processes that strengthen the workflow of the executive office. You'll manage the CEO's time with respect to priorities, goals, and objectives. You'll manage their calendar, their internal and external meetings, and handle all travel processing. You'll delegate tasks and responsibilities to increase productivity. You'll read and track all email traffic, flag items for follow-up that needs the CEO's attention. You'll create and maintain a system where client engagement information is complete and well documented. And of course, you'll compose, proofread, and finalize any correspondence documents, meeting agendas, and meetings, and all of that. Now, again, no college degree is required for this position. They're looking for someone who has an experience as an executive assistant or some kind of a similar role, such as administrative assistant, someone who can be highly organized with great attention to detail, a team player. Of course, they want you to know how to use Google Suite or project management software. You need to be able to treat people with respect, but keep commitments. Demonstrate experience with calendar management and travel arrangements and coordination. And of course, you have to have great interpersonal or people skills. Now, if that sounds like you, this is a very high paying. They're paying anywhere from $100,000 a year all the way up to $130,000 a year. Of course, on top of that, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If there's anything specific that you're looking for, you want me to keep an eye out for, please feel free to leave that in the comments because I do read those. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.